potato. You want it? Get in the pen. Get in the pen. You little doggy. Why do I say doggy? It's because I miss my dog. Just sunrise now. Well, he's not dead. So, he isn't dead because I got my not grumpy dog. It was not a common grumpy. Gonna take those two. Wait, what? Was there? Woohoo! He wasn't dead! Oh yeah! I am so relieved, guys. He isn't dead. I was sure he would just come back as a soul. I mean, not even soul. So we got Greenie back, and we got his little kid, I guess, or his brother. What do you want? Why is it so weird color? There's a freaking something on my face. Oh, drown. I hate everything which is a zombie. Killed my dog. Ugh. But he didn't kill me. So guys, I'm just gonna mark. So today's shout out. I know. I don't know who's gonna be the shout out. So again, of course, it is gonna be a new fan. I think I don't know. Okay. Glitter Star. So it is my friend, I think. Yeah, it is my friend. I don't know why I said I think. So today's is Glitter. Oh no. Glitter? How do you say glitter? Hey guys. So guys, just for a short form, I'm just gonna put GSTAR. G-Star. Shout out. So guys, subscribe to Glitter Star right up here. Subscribe to Glitter Star. And that was today's shout out. So, Greenie, I thought you were gone forever, but you'll never be gone, you know? You're always in my heart, okay? You will never go, doggy. Because I know you won't. Okay? Never forget you're gonna get a new name. And so guys, go to that Kevin Try to Kill Me video and comment 2 names. I think people who are gonna comment on that video, please just comment 2 of these cute little dogs' names. And of course, Doggy. Doggy's not a real name. I just call him as a pet name. But I don't even know if pet name is I don't know. So my friends, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and like the video, subscribe, and link the notification. Touch the notification. Ring the bell. I'm getting so dumb. So guys, bye. It's Radio Brainy and the P.